Okay, example number 3 here. We've got 2 of them. This looks pretty easy. Let me ask you something. Forget about the stuff that's in there right now. Let's just say it's x. All right? So I do 5x squared equals 40. Now how would I solve for that? I divide both sides by 5, right? And I get x squared equals 8. And then I take the square root, right? And so then x is going to equal plus or minus the square root of 8, which is 2 root 2. We'll talk about simplifying radicals tomorrow. Okay, that's the way I do it. All right, but wait a minute. That stuff in the parentheses isn't x. It's x minus 4. Okay, well, same thing though. Then I add 4 to both sides, right? And I'm going to get that x is equal to plus root 8 plus 4 and negative root 8 plus 4. All right, now I'm going to do this all again. But do you see, I don't have to think about what's inside the parentheses. I can just think about that as something getting squared. Okay? So, let's do this. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 5. I'm going to get x minus 4, still in parentheses squared, right, is equal to 8. Then I'm going to unsquare it. Good, good. So I'm going to get x minus 4 is equal to plus or minus root 8. And then I'm going to add 4 to both sides to get the x by itself. And I'm going to get x is equal to root 8 plus 4 and negative root 8 plus 4. Now I'm going to get my old trusty calculator out here. All right. And I'm going to do the square root of 8. I should have had up here, guys, round to nearest thousandth. I should have had that, but I didn't, but there it is. There you go. All right. So, square root of 8, that's going to be, the square root of 8 is equal to, or approximately, shouldn't say equal to, 2.828427125. All right. So that value plus 4 is going to be 6.828427125, and then negative 2.828427125 plus 4. Oh, I didn't do that right. The negative sign, guys, is right next to the decimal. Negative 2.828427125 plus 4 is going to give me 1.17157875. And then I need to round that to the nearest thousandth. Okay. Ooh, that was close. Okay, so that's going to stay the same. So my answer is going to be 6. Oh, remember, I go in ascending order. So it's going to be, I don't care what that is, 1.172 and 6.828. All right, and that's it. Nice job. Those are our 2 answers. Okay, now let's go back and look at B. And let's see, we don't have a lot of time left on this recording, but let's see what we're going to do. We're going to divide both sides by negative 2. Easy enough. That cancels. This becomes y plus 3 squared is equal to 49. Oh, Mr. C. You're so nice, making that a perfect square for us. Take the square root, and I'm going to get y plus 3 is equal to plus or minus root 7. And then I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides, and I'm going to get y is equal to root 7 minus 3, and then negative root 7 minus 3. All right, so let me see when I type that into the old calculator. In order to save us a little bit of time here, guys, I'm just going to do minus 3 and that's going to give me y is equal to, oh, I'm sorry, my braces. I'm going to get negative 0.354 when I round it, and then let's see, negative root 7 minus 3. I'm getting close. Oh, I'm running out. And